Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Instagram account from all of the devices which you had logged into. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log out of your Instagram account from the other devices you logged into, let's open up our Instagram app first. And after opening an Instagram app, you will be seeing the same kinds of interface with all of these awesome content posted by personals on Instagram. And now with that being said, on this interface at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on that profile picture icon or your profile button, and you'll be landed on this interface of which is your profile interface. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the three line icon. Tap on that three line icon like this, and on this interface you can see the settings appear on the top of the dialog box. Tap on the settings, and on this interface you can see all these options available, but there is the security option which we need just below the privacy. Tap on security, and on this interface, after landing on this interface, you need to know a thing, that is, guys, you can also log out of all of your Instagram account logged in devices by changing your password. If you change your password, the devices on which you had previously logged into your Instagram account, they will be required to enter your new password. From that one way, you can log out of your Instagram from all of the devices, but we'll be doing from the another way by seeing the direct devices. And you can see the login activity option available over here just below the password. Tap on login activity like this, and on this interface you will see all the devices on which your Instagram account is logged in with their location and the date. And if you don't recognize, or if you want to log out of all these devices, you can see the three dotted icon at the right side of every location and the device you logged into. Tap on the three dot icon, and after tapping on that three dotted icon, this kind of interface will open where you can tap on logout, and you can see your account has been logged out of a session in Kathmandu on Windows. If you don't recognize this activity, change your password. Tap on OK. This way you will be able to log out of a device of your preferences. And to log out of all of the devices, simply repeat the process for all of these, and you'll be logged out of your Instagram account on all of the devices which you logged into. And then, guys, this is how you log out of your Instagram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.